Quantum computing isn't just a dream for the distant future. It's here, it's real, and it's already changing our world today. We're diving into the top 10 real-world uses of quantum computing that are happening right now. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why governments and the world's biggest companies are investing billions into this groundbreaking technology. Let's jump right in with number 1, drug discovery and molecular simulation. Creating new medicines is incredibly hard because classical computers can't accurately simulate large molecules. The math just gets too complex, but quantum computers operate using the same quantum rules that atoms do. This allows them to model chemical reactions with unbelievable precision. Companies like Google, IBM, and startups such as Quantum are already using quantum computers to simulate molecules related to Alzheimer's, cancer, and even new antibiotics. This could slash the time it takes to develop life-saving treatments. Number 2 is materials science. Imagine creating better batteries for electric cars, stronger alloys for airplanes, or ultra-efficient solar panels. To do that, we need to understand how atoms interact at a deep level. Quantum computers are perfect for this. Toyota and Volkswagen are using quantum computing to design next-generation battery materials. Researchers are also exploring new superconductors that could let electricity flow without any resistance, completely transforming our energy grids. Coming in at number 3, optimization. So many industries face massive optimization problems finding the fastest delivery route, the most efficient airline schedule, or the best way to manage a factory floor. For classical computers, the number of possibilities can be overwhelming, but quantum computers can analyze many options at once. D-Wave, a leading quantum company, is already working with airlines, logistics firms, and manufacturers to optimize everything from truck routes to airport traffic. This saves time, money, and makes businesses run smoother. Number 4 is finance and investment modeling. Banks deal with a mind-boggling amount of data. Predicting market trends and managing risk requires immense computational power. Major financial institutions like Morgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, and HSBC are actively testing quantum algorithms to improve their risk analysis, detect fraud faster, and simulate financial markets with much greater accuracy. Quantum computers can process multiple market scenarios simultaneously, giving analysts a powerful new edge. At number 5, we have cybersecurity. This is a double-edged sword. Quantum computers pose a threat to our current encryption methods, the very foundation of internet security, but they also offer the solution. Governments and tech companies are now developing quantum-safe encryption. Quantum key distribution, or QKD, has already been tested using satellites and fiber optic networks. It creates communication channels that are physically impossible to hack without being detected, securing our data for decades to come. Next up, number 6 is weather forecasting and climate modeling. Predicting the weather is one of the toughest jobs for a supercomputer. The atmosphere has billions of interacting particles, and tiny changes can lead to huge differences in the forecast. Classical computers have to make a lot of approximations. Quantum computers can model these complex physical interactions much more accurately. NASA and other major meteorological institutes are exploring quantum simulations to predict hurricanes earlier and model long-term climate change with far greater precision. Number 7 is artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI is all about finding patterns and optimizing, two things quantum computing excels at. Quantum machine learning is a rapidly growing field. Today's quantum processors are already being used to speed up the training of complex AI models. Companies like Google and IBM are testing quantum-enhanced algorithms that could dramatically reduce the time it takes to train a large AI, making artificial intelligence smarter, faster, and even more energy efficient. Number 8 on our list is manufacturing and quality control. Modern factories, everything is about efficiency, detecting defects early, managing resources perfectly, and optimizing production lines. Companies like BMW, Ford, and Airbus are now testing quantum algorithms to design lighter car parts, safer airplanes, and more reliable manufacturing systems using quantum simulations. Engineers can explore thousands of design variations at the same time to find the best possible solution faster than ever before. Coming in at number 9 is energy grid optimization. Our electricity grids are incredibly complex networks, constantly balancing supply and demand. Even small inefficiencies can cost millions of dollars and lead to blackouts. Quantum computers can analyze the entire grid in parallel. This helps to improve energy distribution, prevent power outages, and more easily integrate renewable energy sources like wind and solar. Countries like Japan and the United States are already investing heavily in quantum solutions for their national energy infrastructure. And finally, number 10, national security and defense. It is no surprise that quantum technology has become a top strategic priority for nations around the world. Governments are using quantum computing for everything from unbreakable communication to advanced simulations and faster data processing. Quantum sensors, for example, have the potential to detect submarines or stealth aircraft with far greater accuracy than today's radar. Defense organizations in the US, China, and Europe are investing billions to stay ahead in this new quantum race. The incredible thing about all of this is that these aren't just theories. These applications are being developed and used today. Quantum computing is no longer science fiction. It is a real-world technology that is already shaping medicine, transportation, banking, and so much more. The next 5 to 10 years will be truly transformational as these machines become more powerful and more accessible. The world is entering the quantum era, and now you have a front row seat to where this technology is heading. If you're as excited about this revolution as I am, make sure to follow for more. Quantum computing is only just getting started.